No, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
Mohan.
morning.
Turn on your camera, people. I'm in Barira, Sidra. We are going to count till 10, right, people? We are going to count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, Barira. 5. What background is that? Change the background to me. Okay, so there's one thing I want to tell you. After 2 days you're having, like after one day, that is the second day, you're having sports day, right? And
After tomorrow.
many of you are going, so registration will begin at 7:30 a.m. Okay, you have to register, right? So it will begin at 7:30 a.m. I just wanted to inform you
So the
guys.
people living in Saudi are supposed to come to UAE at uh, the middle of the night.
I think so. 7:30 onwards, it will begin in 7:30 onwards. How does
It
that
will
sound?
begin at 8.
Yeah,
So we should get there at 7:30.
it will begin at 7:30.
So we have to go there
How are you go?
Ma'am, weren't you there for the
So
sports
early.
quiz?
My
It's a
brain
sports day, right? You have to finish
my
the afternoon. It will become very hot.
my brain is
Ma'am,
gonna be thinking, what
Yes,
is
what
wrong
then?
with
weren't you
you?
there for the sports quiz?
I was putting your yoga marks, and you know, one person from our class won the yoga competition.
Who?
Guess, guess, guess.
Haya,
No, I didn't even do all of them.
Someone,
Milan.
someone who did all the 5 days, who will go? That person will go to the final round. So
Eha,
some,
me, Varira, Aishin, Sidra, Lazen.
there are so many of you. Okay, shall I show you her?
No,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't do it. Al Fateh, I didn't do one.
Actually, Amila
And
won.
Amila.
Amila won, yes. Someone is calling me. Why people are calling me now? Don't call me now. I'm
Amila,
in class.
show me Amila's score.
I'm going to show you. It was very
I wanna
nice.
see what she did.
How did she
I
do
was,
the Black Panther pose? What?
you should see hers.
What? A Black Panther pose?
Yeah, there was one. I was seeing all of the poses.
You saw hers?
No, I didn't saw hers.
You
So
should
Amila is
congratulate.
Griffin or with what? Amila is Phoenix.
She's Griffin.
Okay.
Right?
Yay!
Just look at this.
Okay.
Wow, so good.
Right? So good, yeah. I was like, wow. Because I was one of the judges. And I saw you. Ayman, refresh. Can someone type in chat box for Ayman and ask him to refresh?
Mom,
I'm going to share you her second post, okay? It's
yeah.
like really good. All her
Mom,
posts are, and they edited it very nicely. So that is one thing I liked her. See, she has used props. There is background, plant is there, yoga mat is there, everything is there. This is her second post.
that's so good though.
Yeah, she compared to everyone, her editing, even dress she selected. It's a nice background, plain dress. Everything actually works
This
in
post
favor
is
of her.
the hardest.
But she did it very smoothly, right? Elegant.
This is the hard.
See her body bending. Oh my god.
She's so
Wait, Mom,
flexible.
I can do this one.
She's so flexible. She's like
I
a
can do that too. Someone's
Even
irritating with
we
my
can do
ma'am.
that.
Amila's bones are rubber band.
Yeah, we have to do that. But can you see the grace in which it is done? It is.
Amila's bones are rubber band. Totally rubber band.
I'll show you day 4. I think you should see all the days, right?
Yeah.
This is day 4.
She's rubber band. She's
She's
rubber band.
trying the yes. Let's go to day 5, final day.
Wait, what? How did she do that? I can't do that.
Wait.
Oh, she bended her hips like that.
One good thing she did was she put all the 5 days. See, editing. They did editing very well. Whoever did the editing, that person did it very well. See, background, plant, mat, her dress is light color dress. So it actually worked in her favor. I was like, wow, Amila, good job. Even though Phoenix, I definitely will go with her. She did very nicely. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
So there is point for everything. How you're performing, if you're consistent, all the 5 days are there, the dress code you're selecting, what the props you're using, your facial expressions, everything got point. Who's supposed to join now? Whose period is this? Whose period is this?
So this is
I think
English, so maybe Afla ma'am or Srini ma'am.
Apna ma'am or
Or
Shani?
Shane Sanya.
Sania ma'am.
But you say shiny.
Ayman, we are not able to hear you, Ayman. Where's Ayman? Ayman,
Ayman
are you
is
able to hear
muted.
me? Did you ask him to refresh, people? I asked you to ask him to refresh.
I told him to refresh.
Okay, let me join the other classroom just in case. Otherwise, what will happen? No, my other classroom will never go there. I have a class right now. Which class I have? PYB1. You are Shiny Mom is supposed to join.
Yeah.
Not shiny Sanya.
Shiny Mom.
Oh,
Also use ma'am. Don't use your name. They're bigger than you, right? They're elders.
yeah.
So let's use the name. Give me 1 second, okay? You guys can talk to them.
But guys, you want to see something? I made something super random. Okay, you don't need to see it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Bro.
morning, ma'am.
Oh, good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am is here.
Ma'am is here. Ma'am is here. Yes. Ma'am, I'm leaving this guys to you. Bye bye bye. Bye bye people. Ta-da.